Most people think that heart failure happens suddenly, but your body might be warning you weeks or even months before it happens. And many people do ignore these signs and symptoms that I'll be sharing with you in today's video. The disclaimer here is noticing these symptoms does not conclude that eventually you have heart failure. This is because there are certain kind of medical conditions that can present similarly like that. Nevertheless, you shouldn't ignore them, especially if you notice these symptoms together. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Without wasting my time, let us look at these signs and symptoms. The first thing is shortness of breath, especially with simple activities. If you are one kind of person that when you walk short distance and you are breathless, it might be that your heart is not pumping very well. There are even some people that might notice that when they lie down flat, they become breathless, panting for air. That is also a clue that your heart might be failing. The second thing is swelling in your leg, feet, and ankle. Fluid buildup might give a clue that your heart is not circulating a lot of blood in order to meet your body's demand. The third thing is unusual fatigue and weakness. If you're one kind of person that you easily get tired with simple activities, or you notice that when you wake up in the morning, you are always tired, that might be a clue that your heart might be failing. The fourth thing is persistent cough. And most of the time, this cough comes with sputum production, which is very whitish or sometimes a pink tint like color noticed in your sputum. That might be a clue that there is fluid buildup inside your lungs, and it's eventually a sign that your heart might be failing. The fifth thing is rapid or irregular heartbeat. Now, when the heart starts failing, at some point the heart needs to compensate your body, so it will be beating fast, and that will lead to rapid heartbeat. So you notice that your heart is beating that fast, and that might be a clue that your heart might be failing. These five signs and symptoms is not all. There are even some other symptoms like chest pain, confusion, and there are also some other signs and symptoms that I have not indicated in this video. So this is what I would want you to know about heart failure. Noticing these signs and symptoms, you shouldn't ignore. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.